Hello everyone, welcome back to PhytoPathoVerse. I'm Malini Ray, molecular plant pathologist with the motto to make plant pathology easy. We are here with day 4 of our ASRB NET 2025 revision series. Yesterday we have covered the second half of the general plant pathology section, and today we will continue with the first half of mycology section. You know the concept. After each question, I will read out the options. There will be a pause of 2 to 3 seconds and you choose one of the 4 options given. Alright then, we will start with our day 4. Question 1. Cenocytic mycelium found in oomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes or deuteromycetes? The answer is oomycetes. Cenocytic mycelium means aseptate mycelium. Question 2. Gamma particles are found in fungal division of Ascomycotina, Basidiomycotina, Deuteromycotina or Masticomycotina. Answer option D. Question 3. Spitzenkäuper is found in oomycetes, zygomycetes, septate fungi or phycomycetes. Answer is septate fungi. Question 4. Which one is a polymorphic fungus? Buxenia, albugo, alternaria or ericephae? Answer is Buxenia. Question 5. Apothecia are found in Aspergillus, alternaria, sclerotinia or penicillium. Answer is sclerotinia. Okay. Question 6. Alternation of generation found in Alternaria, Allomyces, Neovosea or Tillacea. Answer Allomyces, yes. Question 7. Green island is found in the pathogen of early blight of tomato, late blight of potato, blast of rice or rust of bean. Option D. Yes, rust of bean. Question 8. Lignification of mycelium first identified in Melamspora, Rhizopus, Coletotrichum or Saccharomyces. Answer Coletotrichum. Question 9. Local and systemic both infection found in white rust of crucifer, late blight of potato, rust of coffee or is it early blight of tomato? Yes, it's option A, white rust of crucifer. Question 10. Special structure produced by fungi for penetrate into host cell is known as Aprosorium, mycelium, germ tube or penetration peg. Right with the question itself, we can understand the answer will be penetration peg. Question 11. Which fungal genus not produce zoospores? Pythium, Phytophthora, albugo or Coletotrichum? The answer is Coletotrichum. 12th. Clamp connection is found in albugo, ericephae, eusteligo or Phytophthora. The answer is eusteligo. Question 13. Mycorrhiza fungi are most commonly found in fungal division. Means which fungal division? Asco, zygo, deutero or Masticomycotina? It is Zygomycotina. Question 14. Resting sporangia of what disease of potato pathogen can remain viable in soil for how many years? 5, 15, 25 or it's 30? Answer is 5 years. Question 15. Conidia or powdery mildew contain moisture content of about 10%, 32%, 52%, or it's 72%? Answer is 72%. In some of the question, you will see the option as 70%. So 70, 72, it's fine. Question 16. Alternaria alternata produces taptoxin, vivotoxin, tentoxin, or alpha toxin. It produces tentoxin. This is Alternaria alternata, not alternate, right? Question 17. Western mushroom belong to the genus Agaricus, Pleurotus, Volvarilla, or Grifola? Answer is B. Pleurotus vestratus, right? 18. Optimum temperature required for germination of spores of Albigo candida. It's 10 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, or 25 degrees Celsius. Answer 10 degrees Celsius. 19. Capitulum is found in Asco, Pesido, Deutero, or Myxomycota. Answer Myxomycota. Question 20. Which one fungal genus is under vascular arbuscular mycorrhizal fungi? Agaricus, Phytophthora, Glomus, or Puccinia? Answer is yes, Glomus. Question 21. Which one is a polyetic pathogen? Phytophthora, Alternaria, Puccinia, or Ceratocystis? Answer is Ceratocystis. 22. Rhizopus stonifer is used to produce alcohol, antibiotic, vitamin, or fumaric acid. Answer option D, fumaric acid. 23. Zero stage of rust fungi is commonly known as Pycniospore, Ichthyospore, Iridospore, or Teleospore. Answer is Pycniospore. Pycniospore is stage 0, Ichthyospore stage 1, Iridospore stage 2, whereas Teleospore is stage 3. What will be the stage 4? It's Basidiospore. There are 5 stages of rust fungi. Question 24. Both biotrophic and necrotrophic stages are found in Albigo candida, Ericephale, Puccinia, or Phytophthora infestans. Answer is option C. 25. Slowdown of fungal growth in preservation of pure culture is due to the production of some toxic materials. It is known as lysis, autolysis, Stalin effect, or inhibit growth habit. It's autolysis. 26. Aspergillus species causes spoilage of seeds with a moisture content of 5 to 10%, 11 to 14%, 20 to 25%, or 25 to 30%. It's option B, 11 to 14%. 27. Which one pathogenic fungal genus is polyphagous? Alternaria, Pyricularia, Carvularia, or Venturia? Answer is Alternaria. Question 28. Non-septate Conidia of fungi belong to Helicospore, Phragmospore, Didymospore, or Amerospore? The answer is option D. 29. Plasmodium of some slime molds contain 2 contractile proteins known as bactomycin, mycocin, actomycin, or slimocin. The answer is option C. 30. The reproductive microscopic spherical and uninucleate spore of myxomycetes are known as meiospores, mycospores, meiospore or microspores. Answer is A. Meiospore. 31. Species of oomycetes which produce only one kind of zoospores, each of which on germination directly develop into a parent plant, are called diplanetic, monoplanetic, pseudoplanetic or microplanetic. Answer is monoplanetic. 32. Compound teleospore is a characteristics of fungus Phytophthora, albigo, Phragmidium or Ericephae. Answer is option C, Phragmidium. 33. In which of the following fungi teleospores germinate to form septate promycelium and teleospores are united in layers crust of or columns? Buccinia, Graminease, Buccinia recondita, Euromyces spicy or Melanspora leni? It's Melanspora leni. Okay. Question 34. In which of the following orders of Deuteromycotina Conidia are formed in typical acervali? Okay. Melanconiales, monetiales or monetiales, spheropsidales or monilials? The answer is Menolconiales. Okay. The common example is Coletotrichum, anthracnose disease. Okay. 35. Which of the following fungi is known as kerosene oil fungus? Options: Rhizopus, Absidia, Amorphothera or Zygorhynchus. It's option C. As far as remember, we have had the exact same question in yesterday's questions. 36. Oospores of downy mildew of bajra contain 1 wall, 2 walls, 3 walls or 4 walls? Answer is 3 walls. 37. Allomyces arbusculus belongs to the order Blastocladiales, Entomycetales, Ericephiales or Monilials? Answer is option A, Blastocladiales. 38. Gametangia or Syncytrium endobioticum produce zoospore, planogametes, gametangia or resting sporangia? The answer is option B. 39. In some fungi, formation of male and female structures are controlled by hormones that pass between opposite sexes. Such a kind of sexuality is known as ambisexualis, homothallic, heterothallic or gynaetromyxis. The answer is option D. Question 40. Which of the following fungi produces alkaloids that are fatal to human beings? Albigo candida, Phytophthora, Clavices, Purpurea or Ericephae polygony? The answer is Clavices purpurea. Can anybody tell me which is that alkaloids which are actually harmful or fatal to human beings that is produced by Clavices purpurea? That is aflatoxin. Yes. 41. Blossom blight of paper is caused by Phytophthora palmivora, Phytophthora parasitica, Phytophthora infestans or Phytophthora capsicum? The answer is option D. 42. The spores of apple scab pathogen must be weighed to cause infection at 6 degree centigrade for a period of how many hours? 6, 12, 24 or 28? Answer is option D, 28 hours. 43. Optimum temperature range of germination spores of Eustelico is 10 to 16 degrees Celsius, 18 to 22, 25 to 30 or 30 to 35. Answer is option C. Question 44. Size of viridospore of Puccinia gramineae is about 17 into 35, 20 into 15, 10 into 15 or 24 into means by 17 by 35 or 20 by 15 or 10 by 15 or 24 by 17. The answer is option D. 45. In fungi, storage food accumulate as glycogen, cholesterol, ergosterol or volutin. Answer is glycogen. 46. Which of the following fungi is a mycoparasite of Sclerotia of Clavices microcephala? Okay, the options: Trichoderma herzianum, Gliocladium virens, Fusarium, Sambucinum. Option D, Trichoderma coningi. The answer is option C. 47. Which of the following fungi is hallucinogenic in nature? Albigo candida, Psilodes, Phytophthora infestans or Puccinia graminis? The option is Psilodes. 48. Saprolegnia parasitica causes disease in birds, flowers, fishes or animals. Answer C. Fishes. 49. Which of the following genera of Ascomycetes is autogamous? Spheroptheca, Tulatomyces, Neurospora or Schizosaccharomyces? Answer is option A, Spherotheca. Question 50. Slime molds are characterized by the presence of capitulum, elaters, pseudoelaters or clamp connection. Answer is option A. 51. Growth and reproduction of fungi are governed by Koch rule, Bullis phenomena, Peter principle or Klebs law. Answer is option D. 52. An example of unicellular fungus is Rhizopus, Mucor, yeast or Erisife. It's yeast. Yes. 53. Dikaryotic life cycle is found in smut, rust, powder mildew or tiny mildew. Answer A. Smut. 54. Diploid life cycle is common in case of Ascomycetes, Oomycetes, Basidiomycetes or Deuteromycetes. Answer B. Oomycetes. 55. Bulbous or cylindrical hypha of fungi with a flat surface in contact with surface of nest plant is known as penetration peck, Hostoria, infection peck or Apresoria. It's Apresoria. 56. The taxa division ends with ending else, AC, Mycota or Mycotina. It's Mycota. Whereas subdivision ends with Mycota, Mycotina, Mycetes or Mytidae. It's Mycotina. Same goes for class, ends with mycetes. Okay, and then what will be this else? For else, the order, we have the systematic classification, right? So the order names are ending with else, like moniliels, spheropsidels, like that. Okay. 59. Dimorphism or diplonetism is a characteristic feature of Muco, Saprolegnia, Aspergillus or Alternaria. Answer is option B, Saprolegnia. 60. Sporangial proliferation is an interesting phenomenon characteristic of Muco, Aspergillus, Alternaria or Saprolegnia. Answer option D. 61. Which one is a primary aquatic sugar fungus? Muco, Penicillium, Saprolegnia or Allomyces? It's Saprolegnia. 62. The fusion product of both male and female gametangia is zygospore, oospore, conidia or sporangia. Option A, zygospore. 63. Sporangiophores arise only from the junction of rhizoids and stolons in Muco, Aspergillus, Penicillium or Rhizopus. Yes, it's option D, Rhizopus. 64. Which one is a chorophilous fungus? Aspergillus niger, Pilopulus, Copripus or Botrytis? It's Pilopulus, option B. 65. Which fungal genus is commonly known as shotgun fungus or hat thrower? Aspergillus, Copripus, Pilopulus or Botrytis? It's again Pilopulus. Question 66. Circadian rhythmic phenomena is found in Pilopulus, Phytophthora, Cercospora or Coprinus? It's again Pilopulus. 67. Parthenogenetically developed zygospores are known as parthenozygospores, azygospores, conidia or sporangiospores? Answer B, azygospores. Okay. 68. In an ascogonium, the hair-like outgrowth is known as ascogenous hyphae, crozier, rhizoid or trichogyne? The answer is trichogyne. 69. Hymenium layer is absent in ascocot type of Cleistothecium, Pyrrhithecium, Apothecium or none of the above? It's Cleistothecium. 70. Sterile hymenium layer are known as periphysis, paraphysis, rhizoids or trichogyne? It is paraphysis. The unused cytoplasm left in ascospores developed is known as euplasm, protoplasm, endoplasm or epiplasm? Answer of question 71 is option D. 72. Which of the following fungi is called weed of the laboratory? Mucor, Penicillium, Aspergillus or Rhizopus? Answer is easy, Aspergillus. 73. Alteration of haploid and diploid generation is found in Saccharomyces, Aspergillus, Coprinus or Tuphrena? It is Saccharomyces. 74. Grains stored commercially below 13% of moisture content are commonly attacked by Penicillium, Aspergillus, Rhizopus or Alternaria? Option B. 75. Basidiospores have a minute projection near the point of attachment to the sterigma is known as promycelium, sterigmata, clamp connection or hilar appendix. The answer is hilar appendix. 76. Explosive discharge of basidiospores takes place by bursting method, direct method, water drop method or indirect method. The answer is option C. 77. Basidiocarps of certain Basidiomycotina fungi are also known as Mycelia stearella, fungus flowers, fungal shield or fungal bracket. Answer is option B. 78. Microcyclic rust is always autoecious, heteroecious, facultative or necrotroph. Which one? Answer is facultative. 79. Total number of equatorial germ spores in Eurydiospores are 2, 3, 4 or 5. Answer is option C, which is 4. 80. Eurydiospores are single-celled, bicelled, triple-celled or tetracelled. Single-celled, yes. If Eurydiospore is single-celled, so teleospores are single, bi, triple, tetra. Which one? It is, yes, bicelled. 82. Asciospores of black rust of wheat are germinated on mustard, Burberry, wheat or rice. Yes, it's wheat. It was easy to guess, but where basidospores will germinate on? Mustard, Burberry, wheat or rice? In case of basidiospore, it will germinate on Burberry. Why? Because Burberry is the alternate host of wheat rust pathogen, wheat rust disease like black rust of wheat. The primary host is wheat. Normally, the alternate host is Burberry. So there are 5 stages we have discussed: PAUTB, pycnospore, asciospore, eurydiospore, teleospore and basidiospore. So we have to remember which spores germinate on wheat and which are the spores that are germinated on Burberry. So okay. 84. Setae bearing Conidia found in Pyricularia, Alternaria, Fusarium or Pistalopsis. The answer is option D. 85. 5-cell Conidia are found in Pistalopsis, Pyricularia, Collotrichum or Phylosticta. The answer is option A. 86. Dry spores are found in Fusarium, Alternaria, Clavices or Rhizopus. Answer is Alternaria. Slime spores are found. So 2 questions will be. Dry spores found in Alternaria, whereas slime spores are present in Alternaria, Pyricularia, Helminthosporium, Fusarium. Which one? It is Fusarium. Slime spore, Fusarium. Dry spore, Alternaria. Okay, remember. 88. Concentric ring or target board symptom are found in disease caused by Phytophthora, Sarcospora, Alternaria or Pyricularia. Yes, it is Alternaria. Which of the following toxin is not present in Amanita phalloides? Gamma amanitin, alpha amanitin, beta or phalloidin? Answer is A. Question 90. Fungi are autotrophic, heterotrophic, phototrophic or none? Answer B. Heterotrophic. 91. Fungi are. Oh, okay. The options are different. Question is same. Option is it phototroph, autotroph, biosynthetic, or absorptive? So, I think option C and option D, biosynthetic and absorptive, both can be the correct answer. Okay. Question 92. Mode of nutrition of fungi is photosynthetic, ingestive, biosynthetic, or absorptive? Okay. So, in 91, fungi are biosynthetic. This will be the correct one. But when the question will be asked like mode of nutrition of fungi, then we will go for absorptive. Now it's clear. The fungi are heterotrophic, they are biosynthetic, and their mode of nutrition is absorptive. Okay. 93. Mass of hypha of fungi constituting the thallus is known as mycelium, hypha, flagellum, or rhizoids. It is A. Mycelium. 94. Chlamydospores are produced by Phytophthora, albuco, fusarium, or alternaria. Yes, fusarium. 95. Which one of the following fungi infects human race? Alternaria, Cercospora, Mucor, or Aspergillus? It's Cercospora. 96. Muriform or dictyospore Conidia are found in Fusarium, Alternaria, Phytophthora, or Curvularia. We don't need time to think about this, right? Muriform means it will be Alternaria. 97. Yellowish brown spot symptoms with concentric rings is typically caused by Alternaria, Fusarium, Phytophthora, or Curvularia. Again, no need to think. Concentric rings, it will be Alternaria. 98. In lichenized fungi, about 98% belong to the fungi subdivision of Mastigomycotina, Zygomycotina, Ascomycotina, or Basidomycotina. The answer is Ascomycotina. 99. Endosporangium is found in Syncytium endobioticum, Physoderma ziamidis, Olpidium brassicae, or its Allomyces? The answer is yes, option B. 100. Warty outgrowth of potato due to Syncytium endobiotica infection is a result of phenomenon called hypoplasia, hypotrophy, hyperplasia, and hypertrophy, or tumor formation. The answer is yes, both hyperplasia or hypertrophy. 101. For monogenetic studies, which fungal group is most commonly used? Blastocladilla and Allomyces, Aspergillus and Allomyces, Saccharomyces and Neurospora, or is it Penicillium and Aspergillus? It's option A. 202. Which one is a meiospore? Ascospore, Conidia, Sporangia, or Chlamydospore? Answer option A. 103. Ascospores and basidospores are the product of planogametic copulation, gametangial copulation, mitosis, or meiosis? Answer option D. 104. Which one is chitin containing oomycetous fungi? Albuco, Apodoclea, Allomyces, or Pythium? Answer option B. 105. Chains of sporangia are connected through sterile cells known as perilla, plasmodesmata, isthmus, or clamp connection. It is isthmus. 106. Which one is a snow mold fungus? Sclerotinia, Aspergillus, Penicillium, or Alternaria? It's Sclerotinia. Yes. 107. Which one is an osmophilous fungus? Phytophthora, Alternaria, Helminthosporium or Aspergillus? It's Aspergillus. 108. Which one is a white rot causing fungus? Aspergillus, Ceratocystis, Coriolus or Alternaria? Answer option C. 109. Which one is a soft rot causing fungus? Chaetomium, Coriolus, Zalaria or Mucor? Answer Chaetomium. 110. Smut of Bhattacharya is caused by Tilacia foetida, Spheroptheca sorki, Nivosia indica or Polyposporium penicillari. Answer is option D. 111. Sporetia of characteristic H-shaped structure found in Spherotheca, Polyposporium, Tilacia, Nivosia. Answer is option C, Tilacia. Yes. 112. Diseases caused by Tilacia are called smut, bunt, false smut or head smut. Answer bunt. 113. The famous kernel bunt of wheat caused by Nivosia indica is named after kernel district Haryana, Rajasthan, Punjab or Uttar Pradesh. It's Haryana. Kernel is a district of Haryana. 114. Which one of the following fungi is known as milky fungus? Lanitinus, Xylobe, Coprinus or Lactarius? Answer option D. 115. Liberty caps are found in Saccharomyces, Xylobe, Psilocybe, Penicillium or Pleurotus? Answer option B. 116. Which one is commonly known as saccharide fungus? Psilocybe, Saccharomyces, Penicillium or Pleurotus? Answer option A. 117. In which of the following orders in Deuteromycotina fungi Conidia are formed in Pycnidia? Monilials, Melanoconials, Spheropsidals or Mycelia sterilia? The answer is Spheropsidals. 118. In which of the following orders of Deuteromycotina fungi Conidia form directly on the hyphae? Monilials, Melanoconials, Spheropsidals or Mycelia sterilia? This is monilials. This class or this order also called hypomycetals. Okay. 119. In which of the following orders of Deuteromycotina fungi Conidia are lacking? Monilials, Melanoconials, Spheropsidals or Mycelia sterilia? Yes, Mycelia sterilia. With the name itself, it's very easy to understand कि there is no presence of Conidia. 120. Downy mildew genera are identified by their characteristic Conidia, Sporangiophores, Sporangia or Conidiophores? Answer is Sporangiophores. So, powdery mildew genera are classified on the basis of their mycelial appendages, whereas downy mildew genera are identified by the characteristics of Sporangiophores. 121. Which one is commonly known as grey mold fungus? Aspergillus, Penicillium, Botrytis or Fusarium? Answer Botrytis cinerea. 122. Transversely and longitudinally septate conidia are known as muriform, brachy, hemi or microform. So this type of conidia are seen in which pathogen? Alternaria. Yes, so the answer is option A, Muriform Conidia. 123. The largest Conidia in size are found in rust, smut, downy mildew or powdery mildew. The answer is option D, powdery mildew. 124. The highest percentage of water, which is more than 70% present in Conidia of rust, smut, powdery mildew or downy mildew. The similar questions we have done before some time. So the answer is powdery mildew. The last question for today, which is 125. Which one fungus commonly known as death chair or death cap? Amanita, Aspergillus, clavices or none? The answer is yes, Amanita muscaria. From 126 we will start tomorrow. So that's all for today. I hope it's helping in your preparation. So keep learning, keep growing. We will see you tomorrow. See ya.